You interested in what's going on outside?
Aw, yay, kitty cat.
My partner Leah heard a kitten crying for help underneath a car.
Meow. Come here, kitty, kitty.
He wouldn't come out, so eventually I just had to call it quits.
Come here.
I know cats pretty well, producer at the Dodo, and I do a lot of stories on cats.
Last night it was actually under a car. I saw it, so that's why I was like, oh my gosh, you're tiny. And so I went under.
Just about an hour or so of them working, they eventually rescued this little kitten. I was in kitten mode. It really dawned on me. I was like, wow, I'm really in one of my stories.
Come on. Come here.
I've never held a kitten in my life. I was just absolutely smitten. I also was kind of sensing that it was going to be very difficult for me to let go.
Are you scared? I'm sorry.
This kitten was filthy.
It's okay, kitty.
So we had to give him a bath, and we had no clue what we were doing.
I've never done this.
Traumatic experience.
It's okay. We're just trying to clean you up a little bit. Look, you already look so much better.
We took him to the vet almost immediately. We got very lucky. He had nothing wrong with him. Our idea was just to foster him and try to see if we can find him a good home. We also have 3 cats and a dog ourselves. We have a toddler. At first, we introduced him to our animals.
Be nice, guys. Celeste, you're being a good girl.
Celeste had never seen anything so tiny and was just like, what is this thing? Then my daughter Zoe came home and the fun really started.
You like the kitten?
Zoe was obviously through the moon. Our plan was to find a place for this kitten where he could get the care that he deserved.
We get to go to a cool home, and I'm excited.
Ready to go, kitty? Celeste, you saying bye too? I can't keep him. I'm sorry.
I had a friend of a friend that fosters cats and has her own rescue. I took the trip with the kitten right next to me for the whole drive.
This is the new little baby that came to me.
The foster took him in, helped him a ton. Eventually this kitten was adopted by his now forever home.